because she wants to be there to serve her community, so that the Black youth have someone to talk to when they're going through any type of difficult times or issues or anything that might be challenging. So I was thinking about the perfect name to give her, and I was thinking, okay, mental health, the mind, thinking, things like that, and I came up with the perfect name, Chinelo. Come on, say it with me. Chinelo. Good. So Chi can mean a few different things. Chi can mean guardian angel or your destiny. It could also mean God. So, or like kind of like your personal relationship with God. So in this context, it means that, God. And ne means like, I guess what's a good translation for ne? It's like is, or like is doing, or something like that. And lo means thinking, right? To your thoughts, right? So